sent about their business there. 6 on track. Harriet of GC Foster College. Slight advantage. So 2 for lane 6. That's Dallas. Kedisha. Dallas. 11.96 seconds. The flash time there. Favored for Dallas. Negative 1.5 meters per second the wind speed. Negative 1.5 meters per second. 11.96 seconds there for Kedisha Dallas. Unattached. Harriet second, 12.02 and Clark third. An empty lane 2. The ladies contest. Forbes on the inside. Williams also traveling well. We look to lane 3. That's Burchell. Remona Burchell. 11.20 seconds. Negative 1.1 meters per second. The wind speed. Negative 1.1 meters per second. 11.24 seconds for Burchell for this one. Forbes second, 11.31.